Hi guys!
Hi guys! Hello guys!
So we are here today guys because it's our grandma's 9th anniversary. It's been 9 years. 9 years no? Yeah. So every year guys, like our grandparents
8 years po eh.
like kids remember their death anniversary, our grandpa every year. And guys, check out what we saw here. They put a hammock here in the mango mango tree. This is really cool. Yeah, because it's cool here and you can really relax. So anyway, Marites able to come with us, so we are walking now onto this path going to our parents compound. Grandparents. I wish we own this land here, or I wish our grandparents own this land near to the road rather than there. So see guys, our grandparents' land from the area there all the way to the other end. Yeah, very good size of land. Our aunts build the house there in the land, so that's where we live guys, in our province. We just harvest rice in here. Oh no, maybe 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks na no. Then in a couple of months they're probably gonna plant again. They need to let the land rest for a little bit. It's going to be a gathering, family gathering guys. Everybody just bring what they can, whatever you wanna bring, chicken, fish, anything. So guys, I'm here at our parents and there's nobody in here, so I guess they're over there at our grandparents grave. Because you know, I came later. I stopped by at our aunt's house and then our cousins were there, so we're doing so much chika-chika, and you know me with chika-chika, I can't help it. So I'm just gonna go to our grandparents' grave. I guess some of them are here, looks like. Hi guys, our cousin. Hi. There's Samuel in there. Oh, some of them are here. Hi guys. Say hi. Oh wow, a whole bunch of rice. Our cousins. Hi Lynn. Hi Samilin. Samilin just got back from school guys. She went to school. Oh, you're going back to school. Samuel just picked her up from school. There's Marites bringing some food that Maribin cooked. And yeah, our cousin, our dad.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello mga guys.
Oh, Maylin, Annabelle,
Kiray.
Ray. Yeah, some of them are here guys. Not all. Our cousin, our beautiful cousin here. Our uncle coming. Wow. It looks like we're gonna have a very, very good lunch. Good food.
May gulay.
Ha?
Gulay ito ba?
Kuha Nicole, atay Nicole, luto bunggo. Oh, some pork liver. Wow! Hala, sa manutin. Tibok ni pato. Hala. Wow! That's duck. And check out guys. Hala, kalami. This is chicken kalderita ni. Kalderita. Wow, chicken kalderita. Very good. There's more coming. Hi, Samir.
Nag-open na
Wow, more food coming. There's our aunt. Another aunt.
Mamagla.
Huy, ante, naghana mo ni Magida. Wow, our aunt. More food, guys. Uy. Diri ni oh, ito nga anak. Hala, look at the ducks amoni, pato na ini. Wow, grilled fish. Grilled fish. Hala, daghana, okay. Muka sa inyong mga niluto eh. Our other aunt is here.
Wala pa kayo ganun.
Asa naman sila? Where's the rest? Ay, kaya na, kuha man ko, they're at work. Uy, naghana po ng kaldero yun sa may uban ani di ay. Mo na rin, sudlas pa po. We're gonna eat soon, guys. Let's eat, guys.
Let's eat, guys.
Let's start eating, guys.
Let's eat, guys.
Food or other aunt. she brought some more food here. Boiled peanuts, some Philippine, uncle. Oh yeah, butang ni Sarip. Ayaw na lang oy kay mo magkaon kuan na. Ay wala. Ara jud din ba. Uy, cute oh. Gisa ning iro man lang. Imuha na. Ay. Let's eat, guys. Maybe there's a coconut. Hala.
May rasag kay Duska mo naman nag-all si
Guys, we've been doing chika-chika here for the last 2 hours. Some of us stayed. And some of us, some of them already left. I was just curious about this, guys. Check this out. Annabelle made this homemade.
Very nice.
Wow! It's made from the Coke bottle, like this. It's made from this. She's so creative. Very nice. Very nice. We're just doing chika-chika here, guys. Here's our
Hi. Unsa man ako ka?
Anak bangan nga anay mo mana. Pero di na wala magpatotoy eh.
Everybody's still having fun in there, guys. They're singing, having fun. We did lots of chika-chika with aunts, uncles, cousins. I'm back here in our parents' house. I just got curious about this leaves here. I don't know what happened to these leaves. Why it turned like this? Is this fruit or? Well, this is leaves, guys. As you can see, it's leaves. It just turned into this. What is this? Yeah, check it out, guys. This is I think if I'm not mistaken, it's a pink apple. Yeah, pink apple. Very weird. My mom's orchids. See what I can find to pick here. Some fruits. I don't know if they still have lanzones here. If nothing else, then maybe some coconut. This is the good thing about living in the province, guys. So many trees around. Then it's much cooler. Hoy, be careful you guys. There's Jisrael,
Guys,
Samilin.
Justin.
Dali, Bear. Come on, Bear. Dali. Be careful. Nay coconut. Dagan dali. Come on. Run. There's a coconut. Come on. What happened to your leg? What happened to your leg? Huh? Missy? What happened to your leg? Ay, this is probably from the bicycle. Look at his leg. It looks like chicken poop. Say hi.
Hi.
Husga ba?
Hi.
Hi guys.
Guys.
The three cousins. The three cousins. They like hanging out. I mean, there are other cousins there too. Here's another one. Guys, so these are the, lumber and all other things, some tin roof. This is where they brought it. You know that all the leftover lumbers from the house. This is it. Wow. There's plenty. Yeah, I'm thinking about where I can maybe build a nipa hut or just a little hut. Uy, there's a cacao here, guys. Oh. I saw a ripe cacao. This is the ripe cacao, guys. Uy. It's no good. I mean, you can eat some of it, but not all. See? Cacao ba? There's our dad. It's very sweet. Very expensive now, the cacao. 300 pesos per kilo. Narawa? Di ikaw ni, i-save ni. There's our dad. They can save it kay kuan kay ni sayang kay ni. 350 ra bang kilo. Yeah, there's more cacao there.
Bapo kay cacao.
Pangkuan na ninyo eh.
2 kilos na akong tiko.
Pila? Oh, he already saved like 4 kilos, guys. Look at all the banana. That one there is not done fruiting. Uy, there's a big one. Guwang na ni diri tay. Yeah, that one there is already maybe ready to come na. Ay, dili pa. Kuwang pa. Yeah, it needs to grow more. Look at the little duckies. Hala, naghanas pa to eh. These are just some of our dad's ducks. They are still tiny. They are tiny. I mean, not tiny, but I mean, they're not grown up yet. They're all over the place here. Hala. There's one in there by the bench. Uy. There's the big ones here. It smells like duck's poop. Uy. Wow, look at them, guys. There's plenty of them here. I can hear them. They're singing karaoke in there. They're having fun. Everybody's having fun. Just like I said, guys, before I came here, my parents' house are doing so much chica-chica. It's really fun bonding with the aunts, uncles, and cousins. Look at them, guys. There are plenty of them. The one that you guys saw last time that Roderick was filming, those are someone else's ducks. They're different kind of ducks, different than this. Because those are the kinds that where you get the the balut. And this one here, this is just our dad's personal, like maybe collection, because he likes raising animals. If he gets tired, then maybe next time he grow maybe goats, pigs, but chickens he can never. He always has chickens. Yeah, look at them. Some of them are marching. I don't know where they're going, but they're all here gathering. Wow, here's our jungle, guys. Wild bitter melon, guys. I've showed you guys before. They cook this. You know the tip of this bitter melon vines. They cook it like that. And or else you can also cook this little fruits. Not the yellow one, but the small one like this. There's plenty of them. But it's just like you have to make an effort if you wanna gather them all and then cook them, because they're very tiny. Some of them are so ripe already. There's more here. Oh, our dad is gonna feed some ducks or chickens. Unsa na imong lawgan tay? Unsa na imong lawgan? Manok? Pato? Di kay anong patapuka? That's how you call the chicken. That's how you call the chicken. Look at them. They are all coming. I guess that's how you call them. Look at them. No, there's the big one. I guess the chickens and ducks eat together. Where are some of them? I guess he feed them everywhere. He even feed them there at Mylin's house. The chickens. But in this side, these are ducks. Collected some of the coconuts there. Province life. And this thing here, guys, that is covered with this is vegetables. Very good. I like this when you just boil them for a couple of minutes and then you put some vinegar, onion, ginger, and oh, so good and very healthy. The tip of this is what you cook. So see, whenever they need something or feel like eating vegetables, they can just pick here. Oh, there's actually more cacao here, guys. You see, this one is ripe. This one is ripe too. And here too. Wow. Uy, Ming Ming! Ming Ming! Cute na sa area. Very cute. It's our mom's
Muli ka na?
where are the rest of the Ming? So some are wondering why everybody called him. Oh, see, look at them. How fast they're running. When we call them Ming, Ming, Ming. When you call them Ming, guys, like it's like that's what you call them. Cat here. When you wanna call them, you call them Ming. There's 3 of them. There, I don't know where's the other one. There's 4 of them. Asa ma isa? Dapat ba yan sila? There's 4 of them. Now there's only 3. Yeah, they feed them some rice. They like Ming Ming. They like eating rice. Our Ming at home doesn't even like to eat rice. No pineapples this time, guys. It's not season for the pineapple. There's coconut though. These are some of their green onions are getting skinny. Some moringa here, guys. Big moringa tree now. Nice. Bougainvillea. Lots of flowers. Very healthy. This one is very cute. Look at this. They are very curious about the camera. Little Ming. It's very cute. So guys, I was just talking to my dad in there, and Mylene came, and then I told her that maybe we should pick some lanzones. There's not much left, but there's still a few, so we are going to pick some. Good thing there's Samuel. Maybe Samuel can pick it. We're gonna use a stick. Ay napa. Ay kanin.
Ito na lang na to.
Asagod.
Rao.
Ha?
Dili ba?
Ay, oh. Oh, narao. It looks like there's more in here. Yeah, this is the lanzones, guys, that fell down. And then it grow a branch. And then there's a lanzones in it. Oh, yeah. Ay, lots of ants.
Ay, karita na lang. Dala karit be.
Samuel is going to pick some of that. This is very ripe already. Samuel is gonna try to climb.
Diri kan kat-kat ulang.
If I would have not been so heavy right now, I would have climbed.
Dira ara ka. Karita ra ba? Kan magunag zoom di ayaw na nagduula oy. Patay
Kasi
ba yan ay mo ang gikuanan oh.
Uy, Samuel. Pag ayaw kumpiyansa, Samuel, be careful, Samuel. Hala. Oh my gosh. Dangerous. Daghang amigas. Hala, daghang zoom. Hala. Lots of ants. Ay, daghan ang amigas.
Ingon bitaw ka nga karita ra.
And lots of ants, Samuel.
Dira ra ba sa ubos.
Samuel, in a hurry ko so many ants.
Wala ni.
Hala, buwan.
Ingon bitaw kog karita.
Lots of... Saan na nato ni nga daghang mag-amigas na ito nang ipang... Samuel. Samuel had to take off his t-shirt. Because lots of ants, guys. Some of these ants, they bite.
Na di ay no ang kang ilang pool.
Nahurot na di ay. Ay, iyabo na lang ni Pik. Mga hawa raman na sila. Yeah, the ants is in.
Tamis din kayo.
Yeah, I'm sure it's very sweet. Very sweet. Very sweet now because it's really ripe. Samuel is gonna pick more somewhere. Yeah, very sweet. More lanzones here. Not much now because they all fell in the ground because it's very ripe. They're still singing in there. Some of them are dancing, just having a good time.
Tulak na lang.
Uy. This is very good lanzones, guys. Hold on. Wala. Na diri Samuel.
Matang daghan ba dito nang mo abot.
Ang sarap to uban.
Di na magot mo. Bayan.
Narapik oh. Some will climb in there in a hurry because hala. He drop off as fast as he can. Tapos ako tubangan Samuel.
Piil mo.
Lots of ants. Hala Samuel pag Grabe naghanap kami gas di Samuel. Uy, now we're just gonna pick them. So guys, this is all we got. Wow. This is about like
2 kilos.
2 kilos or about 4 pounds. So I told Mylene and Samuel we're just gonna eat it here because if we're gonna bring it there, it's not gonna be enough for everybody. Yeah, not enough because there's plenty of them there. So we're just gonna eat it here. At least we're able to get a little bit of the lanzones left. Very good, very sweet. Let's eat, guys.
Let's eat.
We're outside Mylene and Samuel's house. Mylene, of course, is away somewhere playing with her cousins.
Hi guys.
Finally, Maribin, where did you go? Where have you been?
Auntie Jima.
You went to Auntie Jima? Ay. Oh, she went to our aunt.
Niyan hipakadiri nagpusil-pusil mi. Julingan.
No more lanzones, guys. It's gone. The kids came, they eat it. No more here.
Kasi nang muhana.
Samuel.